Are you looking for the best smart TVs? In this video we will look at some of the best smart TVs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Samsung S95F. The best smart TV we've tested is the Samsung S95F OLED. It's an outstanding TV with a great selection of smart features, including support for Bixby and Alexa voice assistants. If you don't want to use voice assistants, its well-organized Tizen smart interface is fast, is easy to use, and has a huge selection of streaming apps. It comes with Samsung's unique external Slim 1 Connect box, which allows for clean cable management and flexibility when plugging in your devices. Its QD OLED panel is extremely colorful compared to oled panels from brands like LG, making it one of the most vibrant options on the market. It also has an incredibly wide viewing angle, so you don't have to worry about the TV's image quality degrading if you're watching from the sides of the screen. Like all OLEDs, it looks great in a dark room thanks to its perfect black levels. It's certainly no slouch in a room with the lights on either, since its combination of spectacular brightness and top-tier reflection handling means you don't have to worry about reflections on the screen. It's also loaded with modern gaming features, so you get HDMI 2.1 bandwidth on all 4 ports, up to 4K at 165Hz, and VRR. The only knock against the TV is that it doesn't support Dolby Vision, which might bother some home theater enthusiasts. However, it does support the similar HDR10+, so you're not missing out on much. Number 3. Samsung S90F. If you like what the Samsung S95F OLED offers, but it's out of your price range, go with the Samsung S90F OLED. It doesn't utilize the same matte coating as its more expensive sibling, and it's not as bright overall, but it still does a solid job reducing the intensity of reflections and is still bright enough in SDR for moderately lit rooms. The 55, 65, and 77-inch models use a QD OLED panel, so colors are vivid, blacks are inky, and highlights stand out well in HDR content, making it a very impressive model for home theaters. It also has the same wide viewing angle as the S95F, so it's great for large living rooms. While it doesn't include Samsung's Slim 1 Connect box, the S90F still features 4 HDMI 2.1 ports that support 4K at 144Hz with VRR, so you don't have to worry about missing out on modern gaming features. Like the S95F and all Samsung TVs, this model doesn't support Dolby Vision, but it does include HDR10+, which provides a similar HDR experience. It runs the exact same version of Samsung's Tizen OS as the S95F, so finding content to watch is a breeze. Just keep in mind that the TV uses a less colorful oled panel in the 42, 48, and 83-inch models, and this varies depending on where you live. Number 3. TCL QM8K. If the Samsung OLEDs above are too expensive, or you just simply want a mini LED model, the TCL QM8K is a fantastic choice. Not only is it our choice for the best mid-range smart TV, but it's also one of the best mini LED TVs money can buy. It runs the very popular Google TV OS, which has a massive selection of apps and games, and an easy-to-use smart interface that offers voice control. It doesn't display the same perfect blacks as OLEDs do, but it's surprisingly close, since its local dimming makes blacks incredibly deep and bold, with almost no haloing around subtitles and highlights. This is one of the brightest options on the market, and it has solid reflection handling, so it easily overcomes glare in very bright rooms. It also displays a wide range of bright and punchy colors, making it a versatile TV that looks great in any room. Unlike the Samsung models, it only has 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, which might be limiting for those with several gaming consoles. However, those 2 ports support 4K at 144Hz and VRR, so you can take full advantage of your Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch 2. This TV supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, so you're covered no matter what HDR format your content is in. Its viewing angle is good enough if you have a couch or chair situated at a slight angle from the screen, but its image quality degrades from more aggressive angles, limiting its usefulness in very large rooms. Number 4. TCL QM7K. The TCL QM7K is the best lower mid-range smart TV. It runs the same version of the Google TV OS as the more expensive TCL QM8K and has most of the same features. Although the TV is dimmer than TCL's higher-end model, it's still bright enough to overcome glare in well-lit rooms. Blacks are almost as deep and bold, especially in dark rooms, but there's more apparent haloing around highlights and subtitles. It's noticeably dimmer in HDR than the QM8K, but highlights still stand out well enough for an impactful experience, especially when combined with the TV's vibrant colors. Unfortunately, the TV's viewing angle is narrow, so it's best to sit as centered to the screen as possible. Not only does this model have solid image quality, but it also offers a ton of modern gaming features. It has two HDMI 2.1 ports, supports 4K at 144Hz, 1080p at 288Hz, and VRR, so it's a great option for console and PC gamers alike. It even supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, so you're covered no matter what HDR format your content is being shown in. If you want a TV that offers a complete package of solid image quality and a ton of features without spending a ton, the QM7K is a great option. Number 5. TCL QM6K. If you like the features found on the TCL QM7K but need something more budget-friendly, the TCL QM6K is a solid alternative. While it doesn't match the image quality of the higher-end model, it still displays a pleasing image that will impress most people. Colors are more muted but are punchy enough that they don't appear washed out. Blacks aren't as bold, but they're still deep enough to give the image solid depth, especially for a budget option. The TV is bright enough in SDR to fight glare in well-lit rooms. On the other hand, its lower HDR brightness means most highlights don't stand out as much as they should in HDR movies, shows, and games. Still, it delivers a decent HDR experience overall. Like the other options from TCL, it has a narrow viewing angle, so for the best image quality, it's best to sit directly in front of the screen. It includes the same core features as its more expensive sibling, including two HDMI 2.1 ports, support for 4K at 144Hz, 1080p at 288Hz, VRR, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, so even though you don't get the same level of image quality, you get the same features. It even runs the same version of Google TV, so you get voice control and access to a massive library of apps and games. Similar models from more established brands like Sony, LG, and Samsung are typically more expensive and are a lot lighter on features, so this TV truly stands out in the budget category.